Well, well. Here it is. One finished, restored Anglepoise lamp. Original Terry's, probably early to mid 1950s, because it's got all the metal chromed parts instead of plastic. And let's face it, chromed metal is much better than plastic. If you'll have been following my little mini-series when I've been restoring this lamp, this is the result. I actually completed this months ago, in 2021 in fact, but it's just taken me until now to make the final video. And I'm very pleased with it. The chrome has come up wonderfully. That is all original. There's just a little paint damage there on the forks where I was reassembling it. So I'll have to sort that out. But overall, what a beautiful result. This is a replacement. You can buy reproductions of those, the tensioning nut. Very good reproductions they are too. Usually missing if, you know, children are apt to play with these things and unscrew them and then they disappear. Original grommets there. I said I'd reuse them if I can get this thing to stay focused. Original grommets, I just had to use some glue on the odd one or two of them. I think it was that one. That's a reproduction braided flex, which suits these down to the ground, and they're narrow enough to pass through the holes and the grommets, which is important. And this is the earth tag here. I've just used some heat shrink on there and an old style crimp I had. Let's turn that to the light. So all the hard work paid off, and the paint finish, considering this was brush painted, has come up really well. I said it was nice paint to work with. It was old, it's called Enamel-It. In fact, if you just bear with me, I've got the tin here. Just hold on a second. That's the tin, that is the paint I used. Post Office Red, that was it. Post Office Red. Very nice to work with, albeit rather smelly. Probably something in it that's banned now, but great paint, really nice high gloss. I mean, it could not have come up better. Even using an aerosol to spray this with, I don't think would have been as nice a finish. That really is such a rich, deep gloss. It's had a few coats on it. I think I give it 4 or 5 coats in the end. The only thing I did find that was missing was one of the fibre washers for the shade. So you can just see in there, there's one there, but I'm missing the one for this side, which was a shame, but it doesn't affect its function. It still holds, so that's the true test of an Anglepoise lamp. Will it hold? Will it hold any position you set it to? the answer should be yes. And I've just got a 15-watt bulb in there, you know, proper full-size bulb is what they were designed for. 15 watts or 25 watts. 25 is what they were originally rated at, and that's what they were meant to have. And 15 watt provides ample light for reading and any little hobbies or jobs you've got to do. And the other benefit of the lower wattage bulbs is the shade doesn't get roasting hot as it would and does with a 40 or a 60 watt bulb, because they do generate rather a lot of heat, those 40s and 60s, because as you can see, ventilation is well, old school, shall we say. Original Crabtree switch. Never throw them away, even if they're broken. They can be used for spares for other ones. Never throw the switch away. It really does pain me to see so many restored lamps up for sale and they've lost their original fittings, they've lost their original switch, and the people who do it really should know better. Nothing wrong with them. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that was, if not the first, certainly a very early toggle switch. I'm not aware of any others like that. I mean, the way this is designed to go straight through from right to left, I'm not aware of any earlier design than that. I mean, the other design, which was earlier, was this, which was for the standard lamp and table lamps probably. It's where it's got the rotary. I mean, this isn't working at the moment because it's not plugged in, but you get the idea. So that's it, finished product. I've put an old brown Bakelite plug on it. I think it's an MK, old MK 3-pin plug, 3 amp fuse. That's all they need, 3 amps. Very happy. That'll last another 100 years, and well, it'll last indefinitely now. That quality, you see, you buy quality and it lasts forever, and that's what I like, quality. Thanks for watching.